Now, next example of the homologous organs, that are the vertebrate brain. Okay, vertebrate brains like fish, frog, reptiles, birds, mammals, they come under the vertebrates because they contain the vertebral column. So, in all the cases, you can see the cerebrum and the cerebellum that are present in fish, also frog, reptiles, birds and mammals. In every cases, cerebrum, cerebellum that are present. So it shows that they are having the same basic structure, but they perform different function. Okay, because in each case, in each vertebrates, the brain capacity that is different, and they perform the different functions in relation to the control and coordination. Now next example, that is of the bougainvillea and the cucurbits. So in case of bougainvillea, thorns that are present. Okay, in case of bougainvillea, thorns that are present at the auxiliary position, they arise from the axillary position. So what is the axillary position? That is in between this stem and the leaf. And here also you can see like this tendril. So they also arise in between, means from the leaf and the stem. Tendrils, they also arise from the leaf and the stem portion, in between the leaf and stem portion. So these are the examples of the homologous organs. How? Because tendrils and thorns in case of bougainvillea and tendrils in case of the cucurbita, so they are arising from the axillary position, showing the common ancestry but perform the different function. Now how they perform the different function? Thorn is there for the protection and tendrils, that is for the climbing purpose. Now next is that homologous organs, they show the divergent evolution or the convergent evolution. Okay, means divergent means, what is the meaning of divergent here? That they arise from the same point but later on they diverge because of the adaptation, different adaptation. Having the same ancestor but later on, because of the adaptation to the new habitats, so they diverged themselves. Okay, new species that are arised from the common point. So this is known as the divergent evolution. Means कि जो एक ही point था, एक पॉइंट एक स्पीशीज थी जो कि एक्ट करती है एज ए कॉमन एंसेस्टर, लेकिन जब उससे न्यू स्पीशीज जब अराइज होंगी एक पॉइंट से, एक स्पीशीज से, यानी वो डाइवर्ज कर रही है टू द डिफरेंट एरियाज बाय अडेप्टिंग द डिफरेंट हैबिटेट्स. ओके, जैसे कोई भी स्पीशीज है विच एक्ट एज द कॉमन एंसेस्टर, लेकिन जब उससे न्यू स्पीशीज की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, अलग अलग न्यू स्पीशीज की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ the adapting, by adapting the different habitats. Okay, so that's why in case of homologous organs they have the same basic structure but they show the different function. So it shows that homologous organs, they are an example of the divergent evolution. They shows the divergent evolution. Okay,